Want an all-in-one creative companion? One that can cut, engrave, and print? Yes, we said print in color.
Meet your new best friend, the all-new Flux Ador diode laser cutter and engraver. Now this innovative laser engraver is one of the first laser engravers on the market to offer interchangeable modules, making it a versatile and a customizable tool for a wide range of projects.
Hi there, I'm Felicia, and Fresh is joining me today. He loves lasers. If you're new here, welcome to our channel. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss an update.
Now, Flux released the Ador in Europe back in, 2021. So fast forward to 2024. Ador is finally available in the States with some very cool new features.
We were one of the first to get it in the United States.
Now, what makes this machine, the Flux Ador, so special? Well, first, there's free intuitive software called Beam Studio. Or if you're used to Lightburn, there's a Lightburn bridge cable to connect it and control Ador from that software. So that's nice to have options.
That's very nice.
It's USB and Wi-Fi compatible. And it has the largest working area in the diode laser category, and that's exciting. The working area is huge for a diode laser. Ador lets you cut and engrave materials up to 16.9 by 11.8 inches versus the much smaller 11.8 by 11.8 inches of one of its competitors.
And it comes with a built-in 5-inch touchscreen on the front of the machine that allows you to navigate files, monitor progress, and adjust settings in real time. And it has a full HD 8 megapixel camera built into the front. The autofocus is a probe touch and is surprisingly accurate. Air Assist is built in, which helps with burn marks. And there's also an emergency stop button right on the right side of this machine that will shut it down immediately.
And are you ready for this? It's the industry's first integrated CMYK printer. Seriously, that's some impressive stuff. Let's dig in a little deeper. Now, Ador offers 3 different laser modules. First, you can get either a 10 watt or a 20 watt diode laser module. That's perfect for cutting and engraving a variety of materials, including wood, cardstock, and some acrylics. The main difference, people ask us, what's the difference between a 10 watt and 20 watt? I always say 10 watts. The 20 watt diode module provides some faster or stronger cutting capabilities to help you cut through thicker materials with ease.
The third module is a 2-watt infrared laser, which you will need if you want to engrave intricate, delicate items such as metal, plastic, and glass. And yes, there is an integrated rotary option available so you can engrave your tumblers and cups. Combine your rotary with the extension base and easily engrave and print on cylindrical items like bottles or glasses. So, what's the groundbreaking, industry-leading, game-changing feature?
So Ador has this full color printing option, as we said before, with this print module. We're very excited about this option because now we basically have a professional print shop in our own home business. Now, there are other options for printing on things like wood, glass, and acrylic, like DTF or direct-to-film printers. That's basically putting stickers on things. There's also dye sublimation, but that requires heat in a dye sub printer. And some things like acrylic or plastics don't tolerate heat all that well. And there are the industrial UV printers, but they're the size of an SUV. They smell terrible and they require a tremendous amount of maintenance. And they run upwards of $30,000.
That's right, it's pretty expensive. Flux Ador's print module solves all those problems with its fast, dry, solvent ink process. We've tested printing on wood and acrylic, and it works very well. We've also tested the print module with the rotary assembly. That means you can print on tumblers too.
Now, to be completely honest, we're still working out the kinks on printing on tumblers. It's complicated. We've had some success, but we're still working on the proper focus and print settings for cylindrical things.
That's right. When we do figure it out and we are completely confident we have the perfect combination, we'll post a video here on this channel. So subscribe if you haven't already.
Unlike the other combo laser engraver and printer that came out recently, Ador has 4 separate ink modules, just like professional UV, laser, DTF, and inkjet printers do. The Copycat has a small, teeny tiny little inkjet module with only cyan, magenta, and yellow, but no black. They kind of fake the black color by mixing all the colors together.
Ador's eco-solvent inks are a little more pricey, but the cartridges are considerably larger than the competitors. And when you run out of one color, you replace that one color. You don't have to throw out the whole cartridge and waste all the other remaining ink. Ador's ink is also more permanent. You can print on just about anything, including wood, acrylic, metal, glass, whatever. Go ahead and put those printed sides outside and wash those tumblers in your dishwasher. The ink doesn't come off.
That's a great feature. Now, switching out these modules is far easier than we expected and a lot easier on some of the competing machines. All of them slide into place and they're held on by one screw on the top. There's no tiny cables to connect. I could see easily how the screw could get misplaced, so be aware of that and have a screwdriver on hand. They do provide one extra screw just in case. And to be totally honest, we forgot to put the screw in once and it engraved just fine without it.
We're super excited about what we can now make with Flux Ador, just in time for the fall craft season. Think personalized gifts, engraved ornaments, cutting boards, signs, awards, photo frames, puzzles, or even Stanley tumblers and toppers.
That are personalized.
That are personalized, right? We adore our Ador. Check out some of the amazing creations we've already made with our Flux Ador over the last week or so.
Then, when you've decided you're as blown away as we are with the capabilities of this amazing laser engraver and printer, please help support our channel and order your own Flux Ador using our affiliate link in the description and comments of this video.
And please subscribe to see what we make next with the Flux Ador, and have fun adoring Flux Ador. Thanks for watching and happy crafting.